Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Google One. Want more cloud storage or access to Google One benefits? In this video, I'll show you how to subscribe to Google One and choose the best plan for your needs. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google One website. And to do that, just go to your web browser and then open a new page. And in it, search for one.google.com. You can also access the One Google via the app on your mobile device. Now here, make sure you sign in using your account's credentials. As you can see, I'm already signed in automatically. Now once you signed in, the second step is to choose a plan. And to do that, just click on storage on the left side that has the cloud icon. Click on storage and then click on get more storage. And here you can select the plan you want. You can select the basic one that has 100 gigabytes of storage for photos, Drive and Google, or you can select the premium one that gives you 2 terabytes like you can see here. And you get unlimited Magic Editor saves in Google Photos and Google Workspace premium features. And you can also choose the AI premium which costs 2 terabytes, and in this period it's free to use. You can start the trial for 1 month and it's free to use, and it gives you AI features like you see here from Gemini. Now once you select the plan that suits you, third step is to complete the payment. And to do that, now let's click on this one. And to do that, just confirm by choosing the plan you want, and then choose a payment method. You can choose credits or a debit card from PayPal or even Google Play balance. After you enter your information, click on confirm to activate your Google One subscription. As for the fourth and final step is to enjoy Google One feature. More storage for Google Photos and Drive and Gmail, and you get access to Google One VPN, and you get priority support and family sharing for up to 5 members. Check for free trials. Now Google sometimes offer a 1 month free trial, and if you cancel later, your storage remains until the end of the billing cycle. And that's how you subscribe to Google One. Just choose a plan, pay, and enjoy extra storage and benefits. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.